One barangay
one community.
stood above the rest.
They prove that excellence is not just an achievement, it is a way of life.
The
The
best
best performing barangay champion.
Congratulations! You will be receiving cash prize of 25,000 pesos and a plaque of recognition. Congratulations! Suryaha Pilipino! Barangay Pilipino is headed by Punong Barangay Ariel Kuala.
Nasir chat na. Nasir. Two, four, six champion. Champion. Best in financial housekeeping. Greenish Barangay. Ease of doing business. MDRRMC, most functional, first runner-up. Champion, most child-friendly. Champion, anti-drug. And most functional, ecological solid waste. So, Pilipil 7. Congratulations.